A warm summer breeze rustled the leaves as Michael played catch with his daughter, Lily, in their backyard. Lily, with her bright red hair flying behind her, squealed with delight every time she caught the ball. Exhausted but happy, they collapsed onto a blanket under the shade of the old oak tree. Lily, spotting the fruit vendor passing by their fence, tugged on Michael's shirt. "Daddy, can we please get apples?" Smiling, Michael reached into his pocket. "Of course, sweetheart." "Two." Lily's eyes widened. "Two. Yippee." Michael chuckled and bought 2 apples, their crisp red skin gleaming in the sunlight. He handed them both to Lily, who clutched them tightly in her small hands. "Can I have one?" Michael asked playfully, hoping to share a bite. Lily, however, squeezed the apples even tighter and shook her head, a frown forming on her brow. A pang of disappointment, quickly followed by confusion, washed over Michael. "But sweetie," he began, his voice gentle, "why don't you want to share?" Before he could finish, Lily surprised him. She scurried closer, her eyes sparkling with mischief. She held out 1 apple and took a bite out of the other. "See, Daddy," she exclaimed, holding out the bitten apple. "This one is sour. You take the sweet one." Michael's heart melted. Relief and warmth flooded him. He took a bite of the offered apple, the sweet juice bursting in his mouth. It was indeed delicious. "You did a great job picking, Lily," he said, ruffling her hair. "Thank you for thinking of me." Lily grinned, her eyes twinkling. They continued munching on their apples, the afternoon sun painting their laughter in golden hues. Michael realized the error of his judgment. He'd been so quick to assume the worst, forgetting that sometimes even the smallest actions hold a deeper meaning, a hidden kindness waiting to be discovered. He vowed to himself to always be patient and understanding, to see the world through his daughter's innocent eyes, a world where even a simple choice was driven by love.